All right, welcome back. Here it is 11:30, bottom of the hour. I want to invite you to tune to 69 News at noon right here on WFMZ. We've got wall-to-wall coverage, live shots from all across the region. 2 meteorologists, the very latest on this winter storm and more. 69 News in a half hour from now, so I hope you join us then. Let's get you updated as far as wind chills. We have temperatures in the 20s for the most part, except to the north, some of you in the teens. But these are the wind chills. This is what it feels like as you step outside. And you can clearly see the further away you go to the west, away from the storm, it feels a little better. 29 in Harrisburg, but 11 is the wind chill in Stroudsburg, 7 Lehigh Valley, and 16 in Reading. Obviously, we're talking about a very cold time of it. The winds are gusting past 30 miles an hour in some cases, so just be careful. Make sure you bundle up here throughout the entire afternoon, and even tonight will be worse because we're going to see the winds a little bit stronger, probably gusts to 40 miles an hour for tonight. Winter weather advisory, southern sections, Bucksmont, Hunterdon, Chester, Delaware, Philadelphia, Jersey Shore. Winter storm warning for Berks, Lehigh, Northampton, and Warren County expires at noon, so in a half an hour. Otherwise, Schuylkill County until 10 o'clock winter storm warning and a wind chill advisory until 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, starting at 10 o'clock tonight. So very cold conditions. Carbon Monroe, we're seeing that winter storm warning all the way up until 7 o'clock tonight. So it is going to be a rough time of it here, even through the afternoon. Some snowfall rates that we've already seen. These are official numbers from 9:30 this morning. Bechtelsville, Berks County, 3 inches. Lehigh and Carbon County, 4. Allentown, 3.9. Pocono Summit, Monroe County, 5. And Philadelphia, 3.9. Obviously, we've added a little bit since then because we continue to see sleet and now some snow. And we'll talk about that in a few minutes. For now, I want to go over to J.C. Kelleher. He's been monitoring things in the traffic center for us. Hey there, J.C.
Hi, Matt. Thank you very much. And yes, I have been monitoring. Right now across the Lehigh Valley, Berks County, I'm not seeing anything on the cameras, and I'm going to take you out to them right now. Here's our PennDOT camera, Route 309 and Route 22. Gene is out there. He's taking a really good job spanning all the roadways out for us, and he's really being helpful over there at PennDOT. Thank you very much, Gene. Taking a look at Route 22 and Cedar Crest Boulevard, you can see how packed the roadways are, and this is causing a lot of spin-out conditions on some of the local roadways and the side roads. So again, we can't stress enough to allow plenty of caution and time for your travels. Now, Rick called in here just a few moments ago, and he was listening in on the radio and such, and he wanted to say that, well, he was noticing that on Route 22, as he came over the Fullerton Bridge, that there were some problems. It was crossing over right in that mark between the sleet and the freezing rain and the snow and such. He said it's getting a little bit slick right over here, Route 22 and Fullerton Avenue. He said, watch me. I'm coming on camera here. So we took an eye out there, and everything's going fine for right now, but as long as you're moving slowly. And that's the big issue right now. We do have some of the bridges and overpasses that are frozen, so we'll have plenty of caution time for your travels here now. I'm going to take you out to the Estonian condominiums. Here's the Free Bridge over the Delaware River, and you can see the little portions of the roadway over here, over the support beams, where that's all still snow right over there. So a lot of frozen conditions over here on the bridges and overpasses, as you can see. Back out to the PennDOT cameras. I'm going to take you over here to Route 22 and Shanersville Road. Mentioned that in the Berks County, in Schuylkill County, in Jim Thorpe, we have 209 closed between Broadway Avenue and Susquehanna. Otherwise, across the region, Route 209, Route 80, 940 across the Pocono region, very, very busy right now, very slow goes. And even over here at the Warren Street Bypass in Reading, you can see some very slow conditions across here. It's packed down on the snow, ice on top of it with some freezing conditions, so allow plenty of caution and time for your travels. We still do have the problem in Albany Township with a vehicle fire, Little Round Top Road and Long Lane. Please be careful out on the roadways. Remember, if you do have to buckle up, if you do have to go out, please buckle up and drive safely. We're going to take you back over to Matt in the 69 News Storm Center. Matt?
All right, J.C., thanks very much here as we continue. Again, 69 News at noon in about 25 minutes. I'd like to invite you to tune over for that. We have the very latest wall-to-wall coverage on this winter storm. As it does continue, we're going to have several more hours of precipitation. You can see it started as snow yesterday, went over to sleet for a while. Some of us are still seeing sleet, but now we're seeing that colder air aloft start to mix back down, and that's changing some of us to snow. You can see that snow has started to wrap in a little bit closer. Still dealing with some sleet in parts of the Lehigh Valley, although now some snowflakes are also mixing in. Berks County, same thing. A little bit of sleet continues, but now snowflakes involved there as well. Some places have just gone over to snow, and it's coming down moderate to heavy at times. So I think here from now through about mid-afternoon, it's possible that we see another coating to an inch or two as all of this has to swing on through. So please be careful. Again, roads, as JC's been telling you, a lot of them just dangerous, and even though crews are out there, they're having a tough time with this particular situation. You can see there just in the last frame some more blue starting to show up. That gives us evidence that that colder air aloft starting to be dragged down a little bit, and that's why we're seeing some of us go back to snow. So we'll watch it carefully. Again, another update here. Actually, the new news just starts in 25 minutes, so I'd like to invite you to tune in for that right here on WFMZ. We'll see you at that time. Enjoy your day.